Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Intrusion Detection using hybrid Pearson Correlation and GS-PSO optimization random forest technique for the RPL-based IoT. Our project abstract is RPL, routing protocol for the low power and then lossy network, is a standardized routing protocol developed by the IoT environment. Dispatch is the widespread options. RPL-based networking are the incrementally targeted by the cyber attack and exposed to the incident and vulnerabilities, including to the routing, spoofing, topology, manipulation, and resource deployment. This situation is further to the completed by the limited computational resource of the IoT device and then scalability demand of the large scale deployment, which make to that implementation of the conventional security mechanism difficult. These challenges to the highlighting to the urgent need to the high weight efficient intrusion detection part capable of the identify and mitigation routing attack in real time. In this work, we are addressing to the existing limitation in the IDS development of the RPL based IoT network. The first we are concrete to the novel and comparative routing attack dataset using Cooja simulator platform. However, the four type of RPL attack and then extracting to for the 24 later features of the model training. Second, we are proposed to the hybrid detection model that combine to the Pearson Correlation for the feature selection, GS-PSO grade search, particle swarm optimization, random forest algorithm. These hybrid approach improving detecting accuracy while effectively reducing computational overhead, and experimenters that demonstrated that our proposed IDS model outperform existing method both accuracy and efficiency, make it valuable solution for the secure resource contribution IoT environments. Our project flowchart is first we can start with the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool and generate to that RPL routing data set for the synthetic data. After that we are monitoring to that data pre-processing. So data pre-processing we are applying to the data loading process, and data pre-processing is considering the three step. One is a missing values label encoding, after to that normalization. So after that we are applying to the feature extraction part, data splitting, 80% of training and 20% of testing. Model training purpose using to the CNN algorithm and machine learning algorithm which we have compared it, and then after to the anticipation for the prediction which type of the attack will be there, and then finally we have calculated to the metrics analysis, and end to that we have move on to that application for the streamlet wise. We have entered to the details, we have predict to the which type of attack will be occur, we have check it out. Our project execution based on first we have import to the synthetics data generation. After that we are applying to the algorithm, proposed model, RF, SVM, XGBoost, random forest, MLP concept. So which type of the attack, the black hole or decrease rank or the hollow folding. After to the version number, so which type of the attack will be there, we have find out. So we have counting to the benign means no attack, malicious means attack will be there. So black hole, version number, decrease rank, and then hollow folding. So after to the feature extraction part, so which algorithm is the best one, we have compared to that our model. So our proposed algorithm we get the 90% of the accuracy model. So which type of the benign will be occur, we have calculated the performance analysis for the confusion matrix, which algorithm is the best one, we have check it on. So after to the ROC curve plot, next one is that we are using to the binary classification for the attack data part. So next one we can move on to the streamlet page. This is the home page. We are using to the project title. First we are creating synthesis, after to that select feature, optimization, model training, and then we have entered to the part. So these one is the data set feature generation created part. So what are the attack will be there, So next one is that so this is a label category and feature extraction and then model training. So once we have model training, we have entered to that prediction part. So like this, so we have entered to the 24 features, we have predict, we get the which type of the attack. So for example, we have entered to the details, the user entered to the details part. So automatically we have predict is a benign category. So if the no attack, so if the attack will be there means, so it automatically predict, so which type of the attack will be there, we have find out. So version number, so which type will be occurred, we have check it on to the model base. Thank you.